Lord is good, His mercy stands unchanging through the years. His faithfulness, my confidence, His promise calms my fears.
In the waiting you are near, in my sorrow you bring cheer. Every dawn reminds my soul, your love has made me whole.
Every sunrise, every tear tells the story, you are here. The Lord is good, the Lord is kind, His love remains through all of time. The Lord is good, His grace will stay forever faithful, come what may.
You are steady, pure and true. Your compassion makes all things new. When my heart begins to fade, your peace restores, your hand is laid.
Through the shadows, through the light, your goodness fills the night. The Lord is good, the Lord is kind, His love remains through all of time. The Lord is good, His grace will stay forever faithful. The Lord is good, the Lord is kind, His love remains through all of time. The Lord is good, His grace will stay forever faithful, come what may. Every breath, a gift of grace, every tear you have replaced. All my life declares your reign, forever good, forever the same. The Lord is good, the Lord is kind, His love remains through all of time. The Lord is good, His grace will stay forever faithful, come what may. Forever faithful, come what may. Abide with me, my dearest friend. Let this communion never end.
Through every joy, through every pain, your life in me will still remain.
When shadows fall, I'll cling to grace and rest within your warm embrace.
You are the vine, I am the branch. My soul depends on your expanse.
Abide with me, O Lord divine. Let every heartbeat echo of thine. My soul restored, my heart set free. Forevermore, abide with me. When darkness clouds my weary way, your voice brings peace, you light the day.
No fear can steal what you bestow. Your rivers of mercy overflow.
Through endless time, through near and far, you dwell within the way things are.
Your spirit breathes, your love sustains. You calm my doubts, you heal my pains.
Abide with me, O Lord divine. Let every heartbeat echo thine. My soul restore, my heart set free. Forevermore, abide with me. Your spirit breathes, your word remains. Through every loss, through every gain, your truth will stand. The worlds may flee, my heart will sing. Abide with me through joy and storm, through rise and fall. Your faithful love surrounds it all.
Abide with me, O Lord divine. Let every heartbeat echo thine. My soul restore, my heart set free. Forevermore, abide with me.
Forevermore,
Abide with me.
blessings flow from heaven's hand, more than I could dream or plan. Every gift comes down from you, mercy endless, love so true.
Morning grace and evening light fill my heart with pure delight. Every moment sings your name, every joy declares your fame. Grace unending pouring down, lifting hearts from barren ground.
My cup is overflowing still, your goodness chasing surely will. Forevermore my song will be, the shepherd's love has covered me. You turn my tears to songs of praise.
You turn my tears to songs of praise.
You crown my years with brighter
You
days.
crown my years with brighter days.
Your faithfulness will never fade.
In every step, your hand has stayed. Overflowing, running free, heaven's river flows through me. Love unending, joy untold, grace abundant, pure as gold.
My cup is overflowing still, your goodness chasing surely will. Forevermore my song will be. The shepherd's love has covered me. My cup is overflowing still. Your goodness chasing surely will. Forevermore my song will be. The shepherd's love has covered me.
Your presence is the breath I breathe, the calm that fills my weary chest. You wake my soul to rise again. In your mercy I find my rest.
Your kindness flows like morning light, restoring every broken place. Where shadows fall, your love remains, a healing tide of endless grace.
You are the breath of my soul, the life within my praise. Every whisper, every sigh belongs to you always. When I am weary, still you're near.
Your spirit lifts my trembling heart.
You are the peace that calms my fear,
The faithful one who never departs.
breathe on me again, oh Lord. Let your spirit fill this place. Every breath I take is yours, my life sustained by grace. You are the breath of my soul, the heartbeat of my days. Every moment, every prayer resounds with endless praise. You are the breath of my soul, forever you remain. Noise fades out, your peace remains. I lay it down in Jesus' name. The storm may rage, but I will rest. My soul is calm within your breath.
When silence falls, I hear you near. Your still small voice dispels my fear.
In quiet trust, my heart is still. My restless soul in you is filled. Be still, my heart, and know He's God. The shepherd's voice will lead me on. In sacred peace, I find my song. Be still before the Lord. When fears arise, I'll wait on you. For every word you speak is true.
You calm the waves, you call my name, and peace flows like a gentle rain.
Through darkest night, through light of dawn,
your steady grace keeps leading on.
in every breath, in every pause, I find my strength within your cause. Be still, my heart, and know He's God. The shepherd's voice will lead me on. In quiet trust, I find my song. Be still before the Lord. Your presence whispers, do not fear. Your love surrounds, forever near. The world may roar, but I will stay, anchored deep in grace today. Be still, my heart, and know He's God. The shepherd's voice will lead me on. In sacred peace, I find my song. Be still before the Lord. Be still before the Lord. From the start until the end, you have been my closest friend. Through every joy and every tear, your faithful voice is all I hear.
When the night was long and cold, your love still warmed my soul. Every note I sing, each word I raise belongs to you, my endless praise. All for you, Jesus.
praise, my song.